Welcome folks back to Lamar Crescent City Ford right here in Harahan, Louisiana. My name's Eric Kendrick and I just want to let you know I'm featuring an F-350 crew cab dually service body made by Reading. This truck here comes equipped with power windows, door locks, mirrors, 8-inch screen, driver controls. It's a flip-up console in the front, so if you need the extra space, it's there. You can have the capacity to have 6 people in this truck. This comes with a Reading DW54108. This truck here, it's very customizable. You can add more tools, more shelving. These shelvings are adjustable to come standard on this vehicle, but you can remove this shelf and use it in another drawer and put a 10 drawer or an 8 drawer shelving system for your tools to pull out. Depending on the weight, they have different varieties available. Also here in the middle section, they have dividers that you can put all your parts so you can get organized. So time is money, so when you're out on the job, it makes it very easy for you to be organized with the slats and everything for your parts. Also, in the rear compartments, a lot of times guys want me to add compressors to it. I can mount hose reels on the inside of these things and run them through the back of the truck, so that way you can put a 50-foot hose reel if you run a compressor in the back. Very easy for me to add compressors. I can put welding machines on this by reinforcing the back of the compartment. I can use a welding machine on top if you want. Comes with a class 5 receiver hitch to pull a trailer if you need that extra space, with a 7-way combo and a 4-plug system in the back. Rear camera comes available. If you want to add a headache rack to this truck, I can do that and put an additional camera. Come by here and see us here in Harahan, Louisiana at Lamar Crescent City Ford. My name's Eric Kendrick and I want to thank you for your time.